Okay, so I established my draw liquidity from the daily chart, right? On the ES, we have this previous daily high or all-time highs, right? Because we are closing through the previous day high super strong. So to continue trading with the structure higher, like I don't want to fade the order flow, the um, the main draw, we look on the previous day high. Also on NQ, we have the all-time highs and also the previous day high, like in close proximity to the all-time highs, right? I'm just basing this from the structure. Down close candles are being supported, right? We're closing through all of those down close candles, and the all-time high is just in super close proximity, so it just makes sense to target like this swing. So after that, I'm just gonna confirm that idea on the 4-hour chart. So let's skip here. So I actually entered the trade after the 6 a.m. candle close, right? So on the 4-hour chart, we can see we have the displacement higher. We're trading in this fair value gap, and it's being supported, right? Same also on NQ. Like we're not closing through that. Yes, we're weakening through, but like it's allowed. I'm just basing the closure from the bodies, and then we closing through these down close candles, which is auto block because it tapped into a key level, right? So the structurally wise, it's confirmed. And also we can see on the ES, this daily candle, right? The 6 p.m. open, it has no wick being made. It just opened and continued trading below, right? It's super rare when candles have no wicks at all. So this is just extra confirmation, extra draw for me. And that would just at some point became my target. So after the draw, after I have my directional bias made, right, which is higher and that was confirmed by the 4-hour structure, I just want to establish the daily profile. Like I'm asking myself, do I think the daily wick has been formed? Like in this case, the low of the day, right? Um, and looking at this, right, we have this 4 a.m. London swing low, right? So based on structure, we are closing through these down close candles. They are tapping into our key level. And if we look at this, right, we can put this price action in a box, right? So I'm thinking this was expansion, consolidation. I'm thinking manipulation, distribution higher towards our draw on liquidity. So that was also my thesis. Even though it's not ideal if London takes both highs and lows of the Asian session, but because I'm looking at this price action as a consolidation as a whole, right? And by the way, it's not ideal because it might be seek and destroy, right? Type of profile. But because like I'm looking at this, the consolidation and London manipulates, and then like this 7 a.m. candle closes through these down close candles. So I'm expecting New York to continue, right? So I'm looking at these profiles London reversal or London low of the day, and then New York continuation. But also the other thing on this 1-hour chart is that we have no displacement. There's no gaps being made, right, for value gaps. It's not ideal to see if if that happens. Most likely it's high resistance conditions on the lower time frame charts, and because this low was formed like at 4 a.m., not like 1 or 2, there's not that much time on 1-hour chart after this low has been made, so I can drop it on the 30-minute to see price more clearly. And right, we also have this change in state higher on the ES, and I don't have SMT at this swing low, right? I do require SMT to confirm the reversal, but in this case I use the YM here. The 9 a.m. took the London low, and I was fine with that because the YM was like correlated, like it just expanded the same as the ES did. So I did use it. Like it's more of a discretionary decision, by the manipulation was clear. So I did use it on YM to confirm the SMT, to confirm the London low, and after that, I just need some key level to being tapped to engage for me, like in price action. So because we have no gaps at all, in this case, it's gonna be external range liquidity. So we have this 8:30 low and also 7 a.m. But I would require for 7 a.m. low being engaged because this 8:30 low in close proximity. So it's just a failure swing to this 7 a.m. This is like a relevant swing low for me, and I marked same on the ES, right? And then so it was engaged at 9:30 open, which I waited for to give me like more information. And as we can see, we have the, like I said, I need SMT and that key level, and then closure through down close candles that are tapped into a key level, right, to confirm the reversal, or it just stay changing the state of delivery. And we do have that on the ES, right? After that, price displacing higher, and this is like what we want to see. We want to see displacement. We want to see price like trading away from that key level, not just like sitting like this, but like more of a defined move, right? And this is 9:57 candle. So next candle is gonna be 10 a.m. and at 10 a.m. we have the high impact news, right? So I just put my limit order at the change in state, and I put my stop loss at the protected swing low, right? So if price goes down, goes below this low, it's gonna be a full invalidation of my trade, right? So, and after that, I just like wanted to target 2R. So 10 a.m. open, right? I got tagged, right? This closure is good. The gap is being respected, right? And looking at this, like, right, trade so far looks really good because like we have the order block, right? The continuation signature. So I was pretty like looking at this, I was like pretty confident in the trade, but then this happened, right? Just started to trading lower, right? The gap was like inversed, and we took this order block slow. Like this is not what we want to see in the um, like continuation signature. Like we want to see down close candles being respected, and bullish periods are being respected, but both were like invalidated. So like after that, price like was just consolidating, chopping, and then NQ took the draw, right? Took all-time highs at 10:21 candle, right? This one. So after that, I just moved my stop loss to break even, and price was just continuing to chop in like this, right? And after that, like looking how we left the failure swing to my draw, right, to make the daily week, right? And like based on overall this whole week's price action, right, it was like super choppy and kind of like more hard to navigate through. And because it's Friday, so I just decided to put my take my 2 contracts off at the daily week and leave one at the like 2 hour, like here. Like I think I have it here. So yeah, I decided to take partials like 1.4 hour at the daily week because like of how we were delivering, and then they got taken, and I'm really glad that I like decided to do that because the my 2 hour and or previous daily high or like all-time highs on the ES were left as the like price just made a failure swing here, right? And then I just decided to like chop some more, retrace, and eventually took it. But for my last contract here, I just got stopped out here. It just like came after making the daily week. Uh, just price just came back and like stopped me out. So um, even though I have like a clear and like obvious draw because of the lower time frame market conditions, it's like so hard to navigate. Like it's so easy to chop yourself. Like I only decided to trade because of how price action looked like to this point, right? Like to this point it looks good, but like after like seeing like how this candle closed, I was like, okay, if I'm getting stopped out here, I'm not trading anymore because it's just like second or like this. If I would have like got stopped out, like especially on NQ, like it took, you can see it took highs, it's taking lows, right? Just like this, second or like that's not what I'm trading. So um was still glad that I was managed to get something. So, and I got exactly like 1 hour, not supposed to be 1.3, but because the one contract was like still um taking out break even, so it was like a little bit less than 1 hour, but it's good for this price action. So that was my trade. Thank you.